Hi guys, a very good morning. This is Harshita and welcome back to my channel. So now today's video will be very interesting, nothing like before what I've done on the channel. Today I'm gonna go to Sarojini Nagar. It is a sin if I come to Delhi and not visit Sarojini Nagar, and I'm not gonna do that sin. So today I'll be going to Sarojini Nagar, and by the end of the video I'll be sharing a mini or maybe a large haul with all of you guys, depends on what I actually get. I'll also try to share my favorite shop numbers of that market. That market can be very confusing for some people, but I am a pro at it, and I will be sharing some of my most favorite spots from where you can shop trending jewelry, clothes, denim wear, so on and so forth. And yeah, let's go. Shopping is done. Yes. Liked it a lot. Yeah. And I'll go home, and in the evening I'll shoot the whole part of it. Hi guys, so I am back at home, and yeah, this is a fun haul time. Honestly, जब भी मैं हैदराबाद से दिल्ली आती हूँ, now it's more of a ritual कि मैं एक लिस्ट बना के लेके आती हूँ कि मुझे क्या क्या चाहिए, एंड मैं वो चीज़ें खरीद के लेके जाती हूँ, बिकॉज हैदराबाद में इतना कुछ स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग का नहीं है. स्पेसिफिकली जिस एरिया में मैं रहती हूँ, हाईटेक सिटी, ऑल यूल फाइंड इज लाइक इट्स अ मोर कॉर्पोरेट स्पेस, एंड ऑल यूल फाइंड आर malls and offices for that matter and hotels. You will not find a lot of street shopping or something which is very affordable. तो तब ऑप्शन यही रहता है that either you order from online, या फिर मैं कभी कभी मम्मा को ही बोल देती हूँ कि मम्मा आप सरोजनी नगर से खरीद कर, या यू बाय इट सम फ्रॉम सम लोकल मार्केट हियर एंड आप मुझे कोरियर करवा दो, बिकॉज यहाँ पर जितने ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है वहाँ पर इतने अवेलेबल ऑप्शंस मुझे उस एरिया में तो एटलीस्ट नहीं दिखते. सो दैट्स वाई आई ऑलवेज प्रेफर कि जो मुझे चीज़ें चाहिए मैं उनकी छोटी सी लिस्ट बना के ले आती हूँ, या फिर बड़ी लिस्ट भी हो जाती है कभी कभी, एंड अगर मुझे कुछ पसंद आते हैं तो मैं वो ले लेती हूँ. बिकॉज कुछ चीज़ें एक तो ना आप मार्केट में जाते हो तो एकदम से ऐसे हो जाता है कि लिस्ट तो चलो छोड़ो, आपको हर दुकान में हर चीज़ पसंद आने लगती है. सो वो थोड़ा सा रहता है, बट दिस पर्टिकुलर मार्केट हैज़ बीन माई टॉप फेवरेट, बिकॉज आपको इतनी वेराइटी ऑफ कपड़े मिलते हैं, इतने साइजेस मिल जाते हैं, हर चीज़ की इतनी वैरायटी है दैट देयर इज समथिंग फॉर एवरीवन, स्पेसिफिकली फॉर गर्ल्स, एंड अब तो लड़कों के लिए भी देयर इज सो मच ऑफ वैरायटी इन द मार्केट. टुडेज हॉल विल बी डिवाइडेड into 3 parts, that will be footwear, clothing and accessories. I'll make sure to mention the shop numbers जो भी मुझे याद है यहाँ पर स्क्रीन पर कहीं पे, और before in the video I'll also attach videos of the market जो मेरी top favorite shops है. And talking about top favorite shops, I think we should start from jewelry and accessories. So जितनी भी मैंने ज्वेलरी खरीदी है वो मैंने एक ही शॉप से खरीदी है. नहीं एक्चुअली ओके नेवर माइंड, पहले मैं एक शॉप की बात करती हूँ ना. दिस पर्टिकुलर शॉप इज़ माई टॉप फेवरेट. यहाँ पर बहुत वेराइटी ऑफ चीज़ें मिलती है. अगेन इट्स अ मोर एक्सपोर्ट बेस्ड शॉप्स, तो यहाँ पे फुटवेयर भी होता है कभी कभार. यू ऑल्सो हैव अ लॉट ऑफ बैग्स. अगर आपको लेदर की चीज़ें चाहिए, लेदर बैग्स चाहिए, तो दिस इज़ अ रियली गुड शॉप. जब वो पर्ल वाले बैग्स बहुत ट्रेंड में थे तो यहाँ पर आपको वो सब कुछ मिलता है. एंड या लॉट ऑफ बीडेड ज्वेलरी, lot of bohemian stuff, lot of wooden bangles, सब कुछ एक अफोर्डेबल रेट पे यहाँ पर आपको शॉप पे मिलेगा. ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज बार्गेन बार्गेन बार्गेन. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग इज a diary. So now this is a very miscellaneous thing. Actually एक accessory भी नहीं है. It's a very miscellaneous buy, but I mean just look at it. So first of all, it's all handmade paper. It's a very thin handmade paper, and it is a very beautiful diary. I don't know what I'll use this particularly for because it's too beautiful to write. And even bahar se bhi na, it's all hard bounded. Like ये पूरा ना आई डोंट नो, ये एक तरह का कोई और मटेरियल है जो इन्होंने इस पे लगाया है, विच इज़ प्रिटी हार्ड and it is absolutely beautiful. And I genuinely don't know what I'll use this for, but this was so pretty. And I think ये भैया ने मुझे 150 या 100 रुपीज़ की लगाई है, बट इट इज़ एब्सोल्युटली ब्यूटीफुल. जो लोग हैंडमेड चीज़ें के बारे में जिनको पता है, स्पेसिफिकली हैंडमेड पेपर, दे वुड नो कि ये ऐसी चीज़ें इतने कम प्राइस पे बिल्कुल भी नहीं आती है. सो व्हेन आई सॉ इट आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट, लेट्स जस्ट बाय इट. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट थिंग फ्रॉम द सेम शॉप आर दीज 2 बैंगल्स. Oh my god, I love these bangles. You can see एक पे तो टैग भी है. Again, जैसे मैंने आपको कहा था, this is from some needle craft ब्रांड. सो बेसिकली इनके पास एक्सपोर्ट की चीज़ें होती हैं, कुछ सैम्पल्स भी होते हैं. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई बॉट. दीज आर फॉर 50 रुपीज़ ईच. फर्स्ट इज दिस ब्यूटिफुल येलो वुडन बैंगल. इट्स एब्सोल्युटली ब्यूटिफुल एंड ये सब इसमें पूरा हैंड पेंट किया गया है. सो फॉर 50 इट्स अ वेरी गुड डील. एंड अनदर वन इज दिस. इट्स ब्लैक इन वाइट बैंगल. सो वेरी वेरी contemporary, I would say. Something that you can wear with dresses or anything for that matter. And if you style them well, they look absolutely beautiful. So this is the next thing that I got. The next thing that I got are these beautiful necklaces. I'll quickly open them up and show them to you. First is this. So it's a long purple and violet beaded necklace. Let me just open it for you guys. Okay, so it's kind of tangled. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's like a long thing. So if you're wearing a spaghetti top or something of that sort, these kind of pieces looks absolutely beautiful. So this is what I got. This is for I think 50 each. This was also 50 each. So this is the first one and this is the second one. Now I actually don't know what exactly this material is, but I mean the sound is a little weird, but like not weird actually, but I'm just trying to guess the material. But it's a very beautiful brown and cream neck piece. So you know, if you're wearing a very organic color ki outfit, you know, something very very more muted, more organic, more earthy tones, this is a neck piece to go for and it would look absolutely beautiful. So this is the next thing I bought. So all of this is from one particular shop, जिसकी shop details I'll put on the screen itself. It's one of my most favorite shops and it's absolutely beautiful. Next thing that I got is a waist chain. So now these metal waist chains are all over the internet as well, all over the market. Now I did not want something like, उनके पास designs थे. I originally wanted the big metal waist chain, but जो उनके पास designs थे, they were like butterflies and flowers, which I was not very inclined to. And मैंने ये देखा, so I instantly liked it and I thought let's just buy this one. So it's very very minimal, I would say. It has coins and it's like एकदम छन छन वाली चीज़ है. सो आई वॉज इमीडिएटली ड्रॉन टू इट. आई थिंक आई बॉट दिस फॉर 150. ही कोटेड अराउंड 200 on 250, बट mom to the rescue. I think she paid 150 for this and it's absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to style it because I have been looking for a metal waist chain for a very very long time, and when I got this I am really happy with this buy. Okay, so the next thing that I bought are a pair of sunglasses. They are the classic black sunglasses, and the thing that I love about them, that jo inke I don't know what you call it, but like the sides are not thin ones, they are the thick sides, which I absolutely like. So this is my last accessory purchase. I absolutely love how sleek and classy they are, and yeah, this is for the buy. I think they were for 200 or 250. So yeah, very reasonable, and the quality is also good. I was using them in the market and they did pretty well because today was a very hot day in Delhi. Now I usually prefer going in the morning only because Sarojini Nagar मेरे को शाम में इतना चीज़ें समझ में नहीं आती. I feel morning time when the shops actually open is the best time to go, but it was not a great decision for today because it was so humid. It was so humid. I'm pretty sure the temperature was above 40 in Delhi today. So that was that. But these sunglasses did a pretty well job. I did not get a headache, which I usually do in direct sunlight. So yeah. Okay, so the next category will be clothing wear. Now I'm honestly very surprised by the colors that I've picked. They're all dark colors, which I usually don't pick up. So I do realize that, you know, being in NIFT over here, my fashion style has changed a lot, and I think changed for the good. Now I experiment more. Now I like to wear colors which I did not even like before. So yeah, that's, I think, a good thing, and it's a great step towards, you know, moving towards experimental fashion. And but all of this is more of basics, but for me experimentative because I do not wear such aesthetics of clothing or, you know, such dark colors in usual. I'm more of a person who likes to wear bright funky colors like hot pink and oranges and yellows and reds and greens and blues. So this such muted palette is not something that I usually wear, but I bought it, so हम इसे पहनेंगे. I only bought tops, no bottoms or dresses. So again, वरना मैं usually dresses वगैरह बहुत लेती हूँ, but I did not buy anything of that sort this time. So this is the first piece. It's a very pretty grey t-shirt. It says Brooklyn, New York, and so apparently ये जो brand है ना, Love and Lazy Days, इसके surprisingly मेरे पास बहुत सारे t-shirts हैं. I don't know what brand it exactly is, but I have a lot of t-shirts from this particular brand, and this is the first piece. I absolutely love the color. I wanted something in those grey or black tones for so long, and I don't have t-shirts in this color scheme, so I bought this. So now the whole aesthetic of my clothing wear is very chillax, very chill kind of clothing is what I'd actually say. I have not really bought anything which is very fancy. All of them are daily wear, easygoing clothing, which I absolutely love about today's haul. Another thing is this. Okay, let's go shop wise actually. So this one I bought from a t-shirt shop. So they only sell t-shirts. I think this was for about 200 rupees. Yeah, this one was about 200 rupees and I absolutely love it. Then next t-shirt is this. So it's New York 80, so it's a number t-shirt, again a very different aesthetic. This one was for 150, again from a place where they only have t-shirts. I'll put the shop numbers on the screen जो भी मेरे को याद होंगे. And this is the next buy. Then I bought these three things from one particular shop. Now this particular shop, I shop a lot from them. It's one of my most favorite shops in the whole market, and the best thing about them is that they sell fresh clothes. So now, as you all know, Sarojini Nagar mein you will get a lot of used, and thrifting is what the new term is. But if you know certain shops, you will also get fresh clothes. And apparently my mom loves this shop because she says, you don't want to buy fresh clothes, why do you have to buy just for the aesthetics? You want to buy thrifted clothes. And I don't know how to argue or give a counter back on that. So this is my mom's favorite shop also because they have fresh clothes apparently. So this is the first piece. So it's all of them are ribbed material. So this is the first one. It's a white ribbed tank top, and it has these really cute cherries on the chest area, which is so pretty. So this is the first top. This is in the size medium. I don't know how I'll style it. I mean, honestly, a white tank top is not very tricky to style. You can just wear a denim skirt, a denim jeans, anything, and it just looks perfect. So this is the first buy. Then the second buy will be this. So it's a very beautiful olive color top, again ribbed material, but the best thing about it is that on the shoulders they have fabric, so you can basically tie bows here, and I think bows are so in, and bows in olive color is something very different for that matter. And I think not just bows, if we try, we can experiment it and try it in different ways as well, and I would love to try those ways as well. So this is how it looks undone. You can maybe just tie a bow or anything on the top and it would look absolutely beautiful. The fabric of this top also is very nice and stretchy, which I absolutely love. ये shop के materials are really nice, I would say. Like the brands they sell are really good and fabrics बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable होते हैं. And the next one is this one. I don't know how to pronounce this brand, but it is a sister brand, I think, or it's a collection by Anthropology. So this is a blue, like a very basic blue t-shirt, very comfortable. I did not, again, as I told you, like the theme is very chill and not something very fancy for that matter. So this is the next one. So all of these tops are in drip material, very comfortable and stretchy, so size का भी इतना issue नहीं होता है. Then and I paid 500 for these 3 tops, which I think is a great deal. Then I just bought a black slip from one of the shops outside, which is 30s होती है ना, वहाँ से. I bought this for 80 rupees. It's very comfortable. Just throw it like this also. Otherwise, you know, it's very great to wear something to wear it underneath something which is transparent or transy, so that way it's a great purchase. Okay, so the next thing that we bought are footwear, or the next category is footwear. We bought how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 footwears, and I don't know how did that happen because we did not plan on buying footwear, but it just happened. I think this was some kind of unconscious manifestation that I was maybe doing, and it worked. So let's have a look at the footwear now. So this is the first why is my camera falling down? Okay, never mind, back to the video. So this is the first footwear that I bought. Now this kind of design is all over the market, but I thought it's really cute. Now I kind of regretted buying in black. I should have bought it in brown. Ideally I was even about to, but they did not have my size in brown in this particular design, and I ended up buying black. But I like it, but I also kind of regret it, like the color wise. Otherwise it's a very comfortable piece, and you know, the soling, the sole and the padding is very well here. So this is the first pair. I got it for about 200, which is I think a great deal. So this is the first footwear. So the next 4 footwears we bought from one particular shop. So now I don't know if that shop has a shop number because वहाँ वो particular shop पे मैंने कुछ record नहीं किया, but I will try to explain the location to you. So once you try to get out of the market, okay, anyway, it's very difficult to explain, but I'll try. If I find the location or if I find the address, I'll put it here because it's one of my most favorite shops. Otherwise मैं जब next time वहाँ जाऊँगी, I'll make sure to ask them the shop number and the address of their shop, because they have all leather, they have good sportswear shoes and all branded stuff, and it's a secret hidden gem जो काफ़ी लोगों को नहीं पता है. Unfortunately, मैंने इनसे Crocs की चीज़ें ली हैं, मैंने इनसे shoes लिए हैं, मेरी मम्मा ने इनसे shoes लिए हैं, and the quality is so damn good. I have boots from their shop, and they sell very affordable pieces, like good branded pieces but in affordable prices, which is great. So the first footwear from their shop is this. Oh my god, I so love them. I can literally eat them because they're so beautiful and they look so beautiful. So now they're leather. You can see by the shine, like the quality is so damn good. And yeah, this is my footwear. This is how it looks, a very beautiful combination of black and white, and that's why I regret buying this one in black. If I would have bought this one in brown, then it would have been a good thing, but unfortunately I did not do that. So this is the first buy. I absolutely love them. Trust me, I'm going to wear them everywhere. Wherever I go, you will be seeing me wearing these. So this is the first buy. And then the second one are these blue, I don't know if I can call them loafers, but they're more of ballies, like the style is more of that way, and they are in dark navy blue with this beautiful detailing. Again, pure leather. This is how the bottom looks like, and yeah, I absolutely love them. This is the second buy. When it comes to my mom's purchases, she bought these. Like, these are very nude, almost khaki color flats. like she likes to wear something like this. These are very comfortable and almost go with all ethnic wear. Even with this, if I wear it, it will go, but this is not my size. My mom's size is smaller than me, so I can't wear her footwear, but she can kind of wear mine. So that's sad, but yeah, that's a fact. So this is what she bought. Okay, so the second product is this one product. The footwear is this one. This also belongs to my mom. And I don't know, something is weird with these shoes. These are so beautiful. This is a size number 37 and I wear 40, so my mom's foot is smaller than me, but this fits me perfectly as well, and it fits my mom perfectly as well. The only thing is that it's a little tight on me when I try to close this. Otherwise I can wear this while I'm in Delhi. And the thing is that I tried to Google scan it and I found ye wala iska exact picture. So this is from a brand called Ara. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It's, I think, a German brand. I'll put the picture here. And it was quite expensive on the website, or I think whatever website it was. But yeah, this is what she bought. Absolutely comfortable, absolutely gorgeous pieces of footwear. Now I think the best thing is that itne kam price mein, so now this shop is not very expensive also, and you have all types of footwear here, and it's very affordable. So this particular shop that I've been talking about the whole while, sadly I don't know the exact address because it's not like a pakki shop. It's on the road that they put it. It's like mostly the shop is there after 12, 1 o'clock, like more towards evening. But yeah, it's one of my most favorite shops. I'll try to find the address, and if I do, I'll put it in the description box later on, or if I find during the time of editing or before editing this video, I'll put it on the screen itself. But yeah, explore the market, you know, Sarojini in general. There is so much of scope that you can find. You have everything for everyone there. You have ethnic, you have all styles of western clothing available there. Now even for men's there is so much of variety. For kids there is so much of variety. So I think it's a one-stop destination. You get electronic items, you get makeup, you get not the ones that they sell for 50 and 100. I don't want to put that fake branded copied makeup on your skin. Your skin will go really bad after that. And I think that's it. You get everything in that market. It's a one-stop destination. If you're visiting there for the first time, if you're visiting Delhi for the first time, I think it's an absolutely mandatory to visit that market. It's a one-time experience, and it could be a repetitive experience for you. Again, some people don't prefer to buy from such markets. Some people do. Again, it's a very personal and a very subjective thing. So you can visit it, try it for yourself, and if you like it, do visit it, because I love that place. You have so much of scope. You can find such good branded pieces in that market, and we all know the condition of our world today. There is so much of fast fashion going on, and a little bit of thrifting I think does not hurt anyone. Definitely when you're shopping for the market, look for cuts, look for tears, because there is a lot of rejected pieces that come in that market. So you have to be very aware of what you're buying and where are you buying. Please look out for stains, because देखो वो exchange return to नहीं लेते, exchange ले लेते हैं usually, but as a customer आपको थोड़ा सा देखना पड़ेगा, because जैसे अगर शर्ट में यहाँ पे कोई tear है तो maybe they'll just fold the sleeves, so open it, पूरा पकड़ के आगे पीछे देखो, then pay them the money is what I'll suggest you. जो आज की मेरी सारी शॉप्स है, मैंने आज भी कुछ थ्रिफ्ट नहीं किया है, और बिकॉज टी शर्ट्स वगैरह थी उसमें मैं क्या ही थ्रिफ्ट करती, तो जो सारी चीज़ें हैं वो शॉप्स जो फ्रेश चीज़ें बेचती है मैंने वहीं से लिया है. बट अदर देन दैट येस, देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ गुड शॉप्स जो मे बी आपको मैं किसी और ब्लॉग पे दिखाऊंगी, बिकॉज आज कुछ मैंने ऐसे ड्रेसेस वगैरह लिया नहीं है. So maybe I can show you, you know, थोड़ी और collection maybe in some another vlog, because मैंने वैसा आज कुछ बहुत special, something very unique out of the box ऐसा कुछ आज खरीदना ही नहीं है. अगर आप पूरा सब देखोगे, especially the clothing wear, it's all very basic, like the colors, it's all t-shirts and tops. But maybe some another time I'll love to show you the other part of Sarojini as well, where we go all thrifting in that market. But yeah, that's it for today I think, and I'm really happy with how this went, because this is this was my first time, you know, doing a haul, and I hope you all liked it. And if you did, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comment sections if you want to see other such vlogs and hauls and shopping related stuff. I would love to do something that you all want to see. And yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I'm just truly grateful for all of you who have come to my channel and are watching my videos, giving me so much love, have subscribed to my channel. And yes, guys, that's it for today. Bye bye.